Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another one. Today's going to be a quick video, probably 6-7 minutes at tops. I got a new product in. It's from the Bass Tank. Guys, if you're not using these guys for your electronics or any of your trolling motor needs, you're messing up. They have great bundles, especially on your LiveScope. That's where I got mine, and that's where I get all the other products that I need. This one is for your trolling motor. They just came out with new sleeves to protect your cables, to protect all your LiveScope cables going up your trolling motor, and the cable running your trolling motor cable going into your boat. So without further ado, here's the cables. So this one, which is kind of cool, they put their big logo on there, make you feel like you're all sponsorshipped and everything from these people. This one actually goes on the shaft part of the trolling motor to help protect these cables for your LiveScope. And they also send you another little piece to protect below your transducer down here. And of course, the big one is for the actual cable itself going up here. The next thing I'm going to order, though, they have a Guardian that actually goes over this to protect your transducer from the sun and all that kind of stuff. So that'll be on order next. Alright, so that you've already seen everything on my trolling motor and how messy it looks, I'm going to get this on there, probably put you on a time lapse and let you see what the finished product looks like. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so I got it all finished. I had to make some small adjustments to it, where I had my transducer and my wire where it was running, just the way that my trolling motor set up, it just didn't fit right. So I had to move my transducer down a little bit, which is no problem. It's not going to hurt anything. And then I had to put a little snip in it just so that the cable could run through, so it could fit through here and also have the loop that goes around to keep it from keeping the transducer from twisting up whenever it's rotating. And then I had to do kind of the same thing up there, except for I didn't have to snip it up there. But here's the sheath for the trolling motor, for like the power and the transducer cable coming down into the foot pedal. So I don't know, I like it. It's neoprene, it'll last a long time, it'll protect the trolling motor and the cables. The good thing is the next trolling motor that I get, I can just pull that off, put it on the next one and keep going. It's a nice product. Hope you guys like this review. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, since 95% of you guys that watch my videos don't hit that button. Please hit it, it's free. I'm just trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year, so hit that button. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one.